Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our English class. Today's topic, paragraph. And for starter activity, read these statements and select true or false. This activity will determine if you already know about paragraph writing or you have prior knowledge about paragraph writing. Pause the video and do the activity. Time is up. Now let's reveal the answers. Letter A, true. Paragraphs are important to organize information. Letter B, false. Paragraphs show the order in which things happen. Letter C, false. Paragraphs make the text shorter and prettier. And letter D, true. Paragraphs break up the text into easy to read sections. Learning objective to organize paragraphs around the theme. Success criteria. I can identify a paragraph. I can identify the topic sentence for each paragraph. I can write paragraphs to describe my topic. I can write my own paragraph about my chosen topic. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a short piece of writing, often 6 to 8 sentences long, and that has a beginning, a middle, and an end. A paragraph includes a series of sentences designed to develop one topic. Paragraph writing is just the same as preparing a burger. And what does it mean? These are the tips on how to write a good paragraph. The upper bun or the top bun is the first part of the paragraph, which is the introduction or the topic sentence. It is one sentence to directly answer the question or prompt. The lettuces, tomatoes, cheese, and the patty are the second part of the paragraph or support an explanation. It is 2 to 4 sentences to explain, give reasons for, tell more about, or prove your answer. And the third part of the paragraph is the bottom bun or the third part of the paragraph, which is the conclusion. It is one sentence to finish your paragraph. Now, let's take a look at this example. This is an example of information text. As what we have studied before, an information text is composed of different paragraphs. So how it is written, let's find out. This is the title of the paragraph or the information text. Let's find out about rivers. First paragraph or the introduction. Rivers have ages just like we do. A river can be young, middle-aged, or old. Paragraphs help to organize the order of the information. So we are now on the second part of the paragraph, which is the middle. The first or young age is when the river begins, high up in the hills or mountains. This is known as the source of the river. It tumbles down steep slopes and begins to cut up the rock underneath it. Still part of the middle, young rivers have rock beds and the water foams and bubbles around the rocks. A young river travels very quickly. The fourth paragraph and still the middle paragraph, still explaining about the river. When a river is middle-aged, it has reached flatter land and is not rushing down steep slopes. The water travels more slowly across a strip of land known as the floodplain. The floodplain is an area on either side of the river that is flooded when the water river rises over its banks. This can happen after heavy rain or snow. Still the middle part of the paragraph, and still explaining about the rivers. An old river is the part of the river near the sea. This is known as the mouth of the river, and the water moves slowly over a sandy bed. The mouth of a river is usually very wide. And finally, we have now the last part of the paragraph. The last part of the paragraph could be a conclusion sentence or could be a fact. There are some very famous rivers in the world. The Nile in Africa is the world's longest river, stretching over a distance of 6,741 kilometers. The Amazon in South America measures 6,440 kilometers and is the world's second longest river. The Yangtze in China is the third longest river in the world at 6,380 kilometers. There you have it. These are the parts of the paragraphs. Again, we got the beginning, which is the introduction, then the middle part that explains about the topic, and the conclusion to end your paragraph, and it could be a fact. Now for activity 1, arrange the following paragraphs in the correct order. These are the topic sentence for each of the paragraphs in the information text that we just read a while ago. Pause the video and do the activity. Time is up. Now let's reveal the answers. Of course, first part is the introduction. The second part of the paragraph or the source of the river. Then it says about young rivers, followed by the middle-aged rivers and the old rivers. And then it has the conclusions, which are the famous rivers or the facts. This is now your main activity. For task 1, arrange the paragraphs in the correct order. So, looking back at the text that we just read a while ago, there are 6 paragraphs written in there. I would like you to arrange it in its proper order. You can take a look at the text once again to see or to match your answer. Task 2. Read the first sentence in each paragraph. These are called topic sentences. They tell you what the paragraph will be about. Make a list of the topic sentences that start each paragraph in this information text about rivers. Again, look at the text. In each paragraph, you have to look at the topic sentence. Task 3. Choose your favorite sport or hobby. What information do you want the reader to know about it? Plan 5 paragraphs. Make notes about each paragraph and add the topic sentence. Paragraph 1 to paragraph 5. For example, football. Paragraph 1, you will just have an introduction about football. In the paragraph 2, you may have the equipment as your topic sentence. Paragraph 3, you can have here the rules or the instruction of the game. Paragraph 4, you may tell about your topic sentence could be some of or the players or the number of players. And paragraph 5, you may have your conclusion how a team could win the game. So that's just one example of a paragraph or a topic sentence of the paragraph. For number 2, you have now to write the full paragraph from your plan. All this activity, either be task 1, 2, or 3, please write your answers on the class notebook found in the Microsoft Teams. If you are done with your answers, we have answer keys here or the key to corrections. You may do self-assessments, so you will know if your answers are all correct. And you can also do another self-assessment, looking at your paragraph Is your paragraph indented? Did you write all complete sentences? Then put a tick on the side. Do you have at least 5 sentences? Tick. Do you have a topic sentence? Put a tick. Do you have at least 3 detailed sentences? None, so you can cross. Do you have a concluding sentence? Yes, then you put the tick. Okay, this is to check if your paragraph or your writing has all the features that we need. Thank you so much. You may also do the plenary, pause the video, and do the activity. But for now, I'll leave you with this activity. Until next time, thank you and enjoy learning. Always remember, be the best you can. Bye.